Which vertical wind turbine is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that.
Product number 1, 20,000 watt vertical axis wind turbine generator kit from a brand that keeps things eco-friendly. At $592.99, it caught my eye with its promise of serious power generation for both homes and businesses. If you want a hefty solution for renewable energy, this is worth a serious look. This turbine is designed for efficiency, boasting a powerful output of 20,000 watts. What really matters here is its advanced aerodynamic shape that maximizes wind energy, which means it can generate power even in low wind conditions. With a self-adjusting design, it captures wind direction without any complicated setups. For those of you looking to reduce your carbon footprint while enjoying reliable energy, this is a solid option. Now, I have to be honest, some users mention that the installation can be a bit tricky and requires a DIY spirit. Here's the thing though, once installed, it can handle a wide range of environmental conditions, making it a long-term investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable, high-capacity wind turbine for your home or business. Skip this one if you're not ready for a hands-on installation process, but for the price, you're getting a lot of power. Now, if the idea of a DIY installation sounds daunting, the next turbine might be more your speed.
Product number 2, Picasola 200-watt wind turbine. We have the Picasola wind turbine, a 200-watt max model that costs $269.99. It's compact and efficient, and honestly, its unique design caught my attention right away. If you want something that's a bit easier to handle while still being effective, this could be the one for you. This turbine features a 5-blade design that enhances its wind energy utilization, meaning it can catch wind from any direction without needing to adjust. The noise level is impressively low, thanks to its double bearing stability. This is perfect for residential or marine setups, ensuring you can enjoy your energy without the noise pollution. Plus, the installation is straightforward, which is a significant plus if you're not super handy. However, I did notice some complaints about its power output not being sufficient for larger homes. But honestly, for smaller setups or hybrid systems, this turbine does the job perfectly without breaking the bank. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an easy-to-install wind turbine for your home or boat. Skip this one if you need something that delivers high wattage for larger energy needs, but for the price, it's a great find. Now, if you're after a bit more power without the hefty price tag, the next option on our list could be exactly what you need. Product number 3, Picasola 400W wind turbine kit. We have another solid option from Picasola, this 400W wind turbine kit, priced at $269.99. It's a noticeable step up in power, so if you want a bit more juice without a huge investment, this might be what you're looking for. The 400W model starts generating power at just 2.5 meters per second wind speed, which is pretty impressive. It has longer blades made from durable nylon carbon fiber, designed to maximize efficiency and withstand the elements. The 3-phase permanent magnet generator is also noteworthy, improving the overall stability and reliability of power generation. This is a great feature if you want something that you can set and forget. However, some users mention that the weight of the unit can make installations slightly more challenging, especially if you're planning to DIY. But for those who can manage it, the energy output and efficiency make it worth the effort. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a robust wind turbine for your RV, cabin, or home. Skip this if you're not comfortable with a bit of heft in your installation, but considering its performance, it's a strong contender for the price. Now, if you're looking for something really budget-friendly without sacrificing quality, keep watching because the next product might surprise you.
Product number 4, EODSAD 30W wind turbine. The EOSAD Axis wind turbine generator priced at just $42.99. It's compact and perfect for smaller applications, and honestly, its price caught my eye. If you want an affordable entry point into wind power, this is worth considering. This turbine offers a stable performance with a focus on low noise, making it great for residential areas where sound might be a concern. It's well designed to resist moisture and rust, so you won't be worrying about weather conditions affecting its performance. The small size makes it easy to install, even for those who are new to DIY projects. It's a solid option for boats, gazebos, and even cabins. However, some buyers pointed out that its lower wattage means it won't meet the energy demands of larger homes. Here's the thing though, if you're just looking for supplemental energy or to power small devices, it works perfectly. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option for low-energy applications. Skip this if you're expecting to power your whole house, but at this price point, it's hard to beat the value. Now, if you want something a bit more powerful while still being reasonably priced, our next product might strike the right balance.
Product number 5, Turbines 600-watt wind turbine generator kit. We have the Turbines wind turbine generator kit, which provides a solid 600 watts of power for just $207.09. This one really caught my attention for its versatility and design. If you're looking for a reliable turbine that won't break the bank, this could be your go-to. The 600-watt model is designed for easy starting, with the capability to generate power even in moderate winds. The installation is user-friendly, backed by clear diagrams which make it easier to set up. It's great for home use, street lighting, and even marine applications. The 3-phase AC motor is efficient, allowing for a better match between the wind wheel and generator, which means enhanced reliability and performance. That said, some users felt that it could be noisy during operation, which might be a concern for some. But honestly, if you're using it in an outdoor setting or where noise isn't an issue, it's a fantastic choice. This is perfect for you if you need a balanced turbine that can handle various applications. Skip this if you're sensitive to noise during operation. But for the power and versatility, it's a great value for money.
To wrap it up, we've covered a range of vertical wind turbines, from the powerful 20,000 watt unit to the budget-friendly EOSAD 30 watt model. Each one has its strengths, whether it's ease of installation, efficiency, or price. So depending on your specific needs, there's definitely a wind turbine here for you.